Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can save your diagrams and flowcharts on Draw.io in SVG file format. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your diagram or flowchart, click into File in the top left, hover your mouse over Export As and select SVG. After that, customize your settings here. For example, you can choose the zoom level, the size of the selection or diagram, or only the page, and also include, for example, embedded images and fonts. So once that's done, click into Export here, give your diagram a name, and select the location here. Like for example, you can save it on Google Drive or on your device. And that's it. Confirm by clicking into Save to export the given diagram in SVG file format on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.